Guys, how you doing? We're going to go out bashing. We're going to take the X-Maxx. I'm going to take the TRX-4. Pat's coming out. Ian's coming out. But I've got to fix it first. I've just got to do something with this diff here. Look at that all flopping about in there. So we've got to sort that out. TRX-4. Yeah, I think it works. We'll have a quick look at that. Considering how much this was clicking away and skipping, you would have saw that in that video. Look at the condition of that. I mean, it doesn't look bad at all. I mean, this thing must have been going for a good 10, 15, 20 minutes. If you watch that last video, you'll see that it was clicking and clicking and skipping and clicking, and it's still usable. So guys, I'm going to be lazy. I'm just going to give it a quick clean up in there. If you look at that pinion in there, look. I mean, it's got some wear on there, but well, it's definitely usable still. You look in there, you can see all the metal filings. Look at all that in there, guys. You can see all the filings in there, but I think it's going to go again. You know, it's not ideal, guys. If I had more time, I'd definitely be changing it out. But I think we'll get a few more runs out of it. We will see. Alright, so I've got a new diff cover here. I've scraped out most of the dirt. And I'm just going to put it back in like that. I know some of you guys are going to give me a hard time in the comments. Kev, you should know better. You got to clean it at least. You got to put grease on there at least. But at the end of the day, it's only a toy. It's not like we're sitting in the thing. And also, it's going to need all rebuilding in there anyway. So there's not really, I can't really see much point in doing it half properly. You're either going to do it properly, or just hope for the best like what I'm doing here. Alright, so that bottom screw here, that's stripped out. So what I'm going to do, I found the drill bit that's a little bit smaller than what the screw is. Now this trick doesn't work everywhere, it depends what's behind it. And I think on the case of the X-Maxx, behind this part here, there's not too much. So we can just make that hole a little bit deeper. So now, put a longer screw in there, it's going to give it something to bite onto. Oh, it's still stripped though. So probably needs a new bulkhead, guys. It's going to need a new bulkhead. That's probably why that diff started breaking. I'll do that last little bit up by hand on that one. I can't see it lasting long, guys. This is by no means a tutorial of how to repair your X-Maxx. Oh, that one's biting. Yeah, that one's tight. This one here is stripped out. So I can't see that lasting long, guys. But if we get a few more runs out of it, then it's all good. Also, check this out, guys. That's how weak the centre diff is. So I've got to take the centre diff out, tighten it up. Because it's not really doing much of a job anymore at the moment. And I like a tight centre diff because what that does, it gives you backflip opportunities. Alright, so these tyres here will come in unglued. What I'm going to have to do, I think I'm going to have to put all these in some acetone or boil them off or something. Get all the old glue off and glue them all back on again nicely. But for now, I'm just going to stick these Badlands back on. I mean, I don't really recommend these for really hard bashing because they're heavier and they're a lot harder. It's more likely to cause damage to your truck when you're doing extreme bashing. But we're not going anywhere with big jumps today. We're just going to be tearing it around some woods and stuff. And even if I do kill, normally what they do, they kill the bulkheads. But I need a new front bulkhead anyway, so I'm not really that bothered. Alright, so we got all back together again. Obviously, guys, this is not a proper repair job. It's just a bit of a bodge just to get it back out again. We're going to meet Pat in about an hour. I've got to get this thing going. So that is still the original diff that's been in here since I had it from day one. So that diff's like a year old. It's been in there clicking away, skipping away from that broken diff cover. And it's still half, well, I don't know yet. It might not be usable. We will see. When we take it out in the next video, we'll see. So let's have a look what else is going on. I've got the GoPro here, what I'm charging up. That goes in there for an in-car cam, so that's pretty cool. Also, I've got a GoPro mount up the top of this body shell here, so we can get some onboard footage of that. So I've got the GoPro charging there. I've got the other GoPro. Oh, other GoPro's all charged up. So I'm thinking maybe I'll put some of these on the TRX-4. These are some 2.2s. They're a lot bigger. So I might chuck them on there and see if they work. We can always cut a bit of the body out. You know, it's only a beta body like the top geared truck. So we'll see how that goes on. So these are the China alloys from AliExpress. Super Swamper tyres on there from Proline. Bit too big really for the TRX-4. That does look pretty cool, guys. I mean, look how wide they are. That looks mean. So let's chuck a battery in there and see how badly they rub. I mean, this thing here, guys, this needs some TLC as well. It's well overdue a rebuild. A lot of it's faulty, a lot of it's not working well. But all the bearings are getting sticky, the diff locks are not working. It's really getting tired. Oh, that servo's weak. Alright, so they work on the truck. Oh, digging in a little bit here. I think we'll make them work, guys. Just get that body on and see what happens. Alright, so we're rubbing. It's rubbing pretty bad. I mean, we can get a bit of heat on there. We can bend these out of the way. Yeah, alright. And change the servo. Servo's so weak, so we're going to change that out. I'm using these X-Maxx servos. Well, they've got loads of power, but they don't tend to last very long on a crawler when you're bashing them. So, alright, we'll see how we get on with that. Alright, so I'm going to cut the corners off of here. Well, it does work, guys. Got a little bit of rubbish going on this little rock slider thing. Maybe I'll just trim that back a little bit. I know, guys, this is obviously not the most professional ways of doing things. Alright, let's quickly get in another servo. Oh, this whole thing's poorly, guys. I don't know what's going on with it. It needs a full rebuild, guys. I think this will be one of the last outings. Alright, so I've got another brand new X-Maxx servo here, guys. I'm getting through these like bloody underpants. So, I don't know, give me a note in the comments, guys, if you can recommend me a servo. Alright, we've got it all in. Plenty of power. The trouble is, they tend to go weak after a little while. Alright, that's it, all ready, just about to head out. So guys, there'll be a video on this channel soon, maybe even tomorrow. We'll see how we get on editing. But there'll definitely be a video soon of running this thing, running this thing. We've got loads of other stuff planned. We're going to take the nitros out at some point. No set date, but they will definitely come out. We're going to take the Truggy out. E-Revo's going to get some more bashing. But I want to take this Hyper out. This hasn't been out for a while, so that's going to get a bit of a bash in. Definitely more UDR videos. Definitely more slash videos. This is due a rebuild, so a rebuild video will be soon coming up for that. We've got to give this a run since it's had the new shocks, so we've got that coming up. Also, we want to do some water crossings. The weather's getting better now. We've got our little boat that Mitchell can get into to recover it, so that's going to be out soon, guys. We've just got to find a bigger lake somewhere. I really want to open this thing up on a river somewhere. Right, so that's it for this video, guys. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, smash the bell button to stay notified. Loads of footage coming up soon. See you soon, guys. Bye.